Hey there, fellow cat lovers. I've got some exciting news to share with you today. You might think that your cat doesn't care about how you look, but I'm here to tell you that their perception of you could actually have a huge impact on your relationship. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does it really matter how I look? Well, it depends on how you look. That's right. The way your lips appear can have a significant influence on how your cat perceives you. That's right. Your lips' appearance can make or break your cat's opinion of you. For example, if you have perfectly pink, juicy lips, your cat might feel inspired to do the same. In this case, your cat might want to paw at your lips or rub against you to show their affection. On the other hand, if you have dry, chapped lips, your cat might feel insecure or avoid you. So, how can you keep your lips looking juicy and plump? Don't forget to keep them hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. And don't be afraid to indulge in a little lip balm whenever you need a little extra TLC. In addition to keeping your lips healthy, it's also important to remember that your cat's lips are sensitive. Avoid using harsh chemicals or lipstick that might irritate their delicate skin. Now, go ahead and flaunt your perfectly pink, juicy lips and watch as your cat falls head over heels for you. Just remember to keep them happy and healthy too. Happy lip squeezing, my furry friends.